The price of Solana is anticipated to climb to $25 by the end of 2023 and then to $50 by the end of 2030, according to the longest-term prediction. This study's objective is to present an academic evaluation of Solana's anticipated value for the years 2023 to 2024. Solana's price started at 9.99 in 2023 and is currently 23.52, representing a 135% gain since the year's beginning. It is predicted that the price of Solana will reach 26.70 by the end of 2023, resulting in year-to-year growth. By the end of the current year, the price of Solana is expected to have increased by 167 points. In addition, the price is anticipated to reach 27.83 units in the first half of 2024. Toward the end of the year, there will be an additional increase of 1.20 units, resulting in a closing price of 29.3 cents. This represents a 23-point increase over the current price. The projected timeframe for an event is anticipated to take place within a range of days or months. On Thursday, August, the total amount of currency exchanged was $323.54. On Friday, August 11th, at exactly 23:56. On Saturday, August 12th, the amount of 23.58 was recorded. On Sunday, August 13th, the price was recorded as 23.60 cents, while on Monday, August 14th, it increased slightly to 23.63 cents. On Tuesday, August 8th, the recorded value was 23.65. The projected timeframe for an event is anticipated to take place by the end of 2025. The price is projected to reach 41.72, representing a positive variation of 77 units from the current price. Solana is expected to start the year 2025 at 29.3 cents and then undergo a dramatic increase to reach 35.56 within the first 6 months of the year. According to predictions, the price of Solana is expected to climb from 46.37 cents to 62.3 cents between the years 2030 and 2034, a 34 increase. Solana is forecast to start the year 2030 at a value of 46.37, rise to 48.37 within the first 6 months of the year, and finally reach a value of 51.27 by the end of the year, which would represent a positive deviation of about 118 units from its current value. A projection of Solana's worth during the years 2023 to 2024 when compared to its year-to-year fluctuations. The price of Solana at the end of 2023 is estimated to be 30.67. The cryptocurrency's initial price of 9.99 in 2023 has increased significantly in value as of today, when its exchange rate has reached 27.33. This represents a growth of 174.4% since the year's beginning for this particular digital asset, with an extra increase of 12 units throughout the major section of 2024. The anticipated increase of plus 207 is anticipated to take place from the current time to the end of the year. Solana's price is then expected to reduce to 30.15 units in the last section, with a decrease of 3.31 units predicted, for a year-end closing cost of 26.84 units. The difference between the final value and the ongoing cost is 2 units. According to projections, Solana's growth and development are expected to significantly accelerate between 2025 and 2029. The price of Solana is also expected to increase significantly, going from 26.84 cents to $61.13, a substantial increase of 127%. Solana is forecast to start the year 2025 at a value of 26.84. After the first half of the year, it is anticipated to undergo a substantial growth, ultimately reaching 32.88 by the end of 2025. According to the anticipated estimate for the years 2030 to 2034, Solana will reach a value of 37.65, which represents a positive divergence of 38 units from the current value. According to predictions, the price of Solana is expected to rise from 61.3 cents to 88.52 cents, representing an increase of over 45%. Solana is forecast to start the year 2030 at a value of 61.3 cents. It is then anticipated to climb to 64.95 cents during the first part of the year, and finally, it is anticipated to end the year at a value of 68.85 cents. This deviates positively from the current value by about 152 cents. The initial price of Solana in 2023 was 9.99 as of today's date. The price of Solana has increased to 18.1 cents, representing an 80% growth since the year's beginning. It is predicted that by the end of 2023, the price of Solana will reach 21.74, indicating a year-over-year increase of 118%. In the first half of 2024, the price of Solana is expected to decrease to 21.37, but in the latter part of the year it is anticipated that Solana will expand and grow significantly between 2025 and 2029, and that this will cause Solana's price to soar significantly. How much will Bitcoin cost? Bitcoin is currently trading at $29,697, and there is a slight trend towards selling up. But, as the 4-hour period shows, there are things that are stopping it from going over the $30,200 mark. Technical patterns that show a stronger bearish mood make this resistance even stronger. Important indicators like the RSI and MACD are getting close to the overbought zone, which could mean that the current bullish trend could start to weaken. Bitcoin's price recently reached the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement mark, which is currently $29,800. If the trend keeps going, the next goal will be the 38.2% point, which is $29,600. If Bitcoin falls below this mark, it could cause the price to go down to $29,250. But if Bitcoin can break through the level of support at $30,200, it could go up to the range of $30,600 to $31,000. It's important to keep an eye on the important zones at $29,800 and $30,200, as any moves below them could mean that Bitcoin is headed down. As the U.S. Consumer Price Index (CPI) report is about to come out, the BTC/USD pair is falling by nearly 0.5% and is currently selling at $29,597. Even though Moody's rating was cut and there was a banking problem, Bitcoin has continued to show its strength in this market. Also, Galaxy Digital has made a lot of money thanks to the rise in the value of Bitcoin and its many business operations. But because the US dollar is so strong, Bitcoin is having a hard time. In this Bitcoin price forecast, we look at the main factors that will affect the path of the cryptocurrency in the face of these changes. Bitcoin's strength in the face of Moody's cut and the banking crisis. Moody's lowered the ratings of